National Farm Machinery Show, February 10th through the 13th, 2016. Admissions free. Parking's $8. 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily, Eastern Standard Time. Championship tractor pull tickets prices range from $40 to $45, and all seats are reserved. Held at Freedom Hall in Louisville, Kentucky. There have been speculations that left-handed disability, that you can get disability if you're left-handed. Those speculations are false. This was brought forth by governor and, the Supreme Court and other legislative branches and House of Representatives and Senate and all. Congressmen decided that it would not be eligible to be passed.